Welcome to another day of chess mastery. Support us by liking and subscribing. Pawn to e4 is the best move.
Pawn to d5.
This is a book move. The opening is called King's Indian attack.
Pawn to g6.
Bishop to g2 is the best move.
Bishop to g7 is the best move.
Pawn to d4 is best.
Knight to f6.
Pawn to c4 is excellent. This offers a trade. Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to c6.
Queen to b3 is excellent. This defends a pawn on c4. Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to a5 is the best move.
Kingside castle is good. Knight to c3 is best. This develops a knight.
Queen to b6 is good. This offers a trade. Pawn to a5 is best.
Knight to c3.
Rook to d8 is the best move.
Bishop to d2 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Rook to d1 is best.
Bishop to f5 is the best move.
Pawn catches on b3 is best. This defends a pawn on c4.
Bishop to f5.
Rook from file f to c1 is excellent. Bishop to f4 is best.
Knight to e4 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to e3 is the best move.
Knight captures on c3 is the best move.
Pawn captures on c3.
Pawn captures on c4 is excellent. This is a trade. Bishop to e4 is best.
Pawn captures on c4 is best.
Bishop to e4 is the best move.
Rook to a2 is excellent. This defends a pawn on f4. This develops a rook. Pawn to c5 is best.
Pawn to c5 is good. This offers a trade. Pawn to b6 is best.
Pawn to e3 is best.
Knight to d7 is excellent. This defends a pawn on c5. This develops a knight. Pawn to b6 is best. This defends a pawn on c5.
Rook from file c to a1.
Pawn to a6 is best.
Knight to d2 is best. This defends a pawn on c4. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop captures on g2 is the best move.
King captures on g2 is best.
Rook from file d to c8 is good. Pawn catches on d4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
Pawn to f4 is best.
Rook to c7 is excellent. This defends a pawn, a knight on b7 and d7. Pawn to f5 is best.
Pawn to g4 is the best move.
Pawn to b6 is excellent. Pawn to f5 is best.
Bishop to f2.
Pawn to f5 is best.
King to f3.
Pawn to 5.
Rook to a4.
Rook from file to c8.
Pawn to e4 is excellent. This offers a trade. Pawn to g4 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn captures on d4 is the best move.
King captures on e4.
Pawn to e6 is excellent. Pawn captures on d4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
Rook to b5 is excellent. King to d3 is best. This defends a knight and pawn on d2 and c3.
Bishop to f8 is excellent. Pawn captures on d4 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the pawn. This move gains a tempo.
King to d3 is excellent. This defends a knight and pawn on d2 and c3. King to f3 is best. This defends a bishop on f2.
Pawn captures on d4 is the best move.
Bishop captures on d4 is excellent. Pawn captures on d4 is best.
Rook to c6 is best. This defends a pawn on e6.
Knight to e4 is excellent. Rook to a1 is best.
Rook to d8 is excellent. This defends a knight on d7. Bishop to e7 is best. This develops a bishop.
King to c2 is excellent. King to e2 is best.
Rook from file d to c8 is excellent. This defends a rook on c6. Bishop to e7 is best. This defends a rook on d8. This develops a bishop.
King to d3 is excellent. This defends a knight on f4. Knight to d2 is best.
Rook to d8 is excellent. This defends a knight on d7. Bishop to e7 is best. This develops a bishop.
King to c2.
Rook from file d to c8.
King to d3 is excellent. This defends a knight on f4. Knight to d2 is best. The game is over. It ended in a draw.